Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Disney Plus application on iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Disney Plus on your iPhone is easy. First, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open up your Safari. In the search box, search for Disney Plus app, download. Once you find the Disney Plus application, give it a tap and you'll be able to end up in your app store. Simply tap on the install button and you'll be able to download the application right on your iPhone. Remember that Disney Plus application is not available in all of the regions out there in the world, so it might not also be available in your country if you're not being able to download the application. But if it is available in your country, then you can easily download the app without any worries. That is how you can easily download Disney Plus application on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.